Political showdown in Kolkata over the RG car protest. Trinamool Congress is charging at the Bharatiya Janata Party over the protest that was organized. Now, TMC is alleging BJP is disrupting law and order in Bengal, that the Bharatiya Janata Party is trying to intimidate and divide people. BJP are against Bengal. This is their real face.
What did we see today in Bengal and in Kolkata, on the streets of Kolkata, by the Bengal BJP was vandalism. And they were intimidating people, almost refraining them from celebrating Raksha Bandhan. These people are against Bengal, and that's why we call them outsiders. They are outsiders to Bengal. They do not belong to Bengal. They do not understand Bengali history, culture. They do not understand Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi Utsav. We condemn this behavior of the BJP, and the fight is on.
Rajesh Saha joins you for the latest on that. Rajesh, I think the BJP has said they have nothing to do with the protest, that they were only a part of it in support. But the TMC is clearly charging at them. Why is that? Tell me.
Well, Pooja, right now I'm present at Park City where BJP was staging protest in the heart of the city. And right now I'm joined by BJP's Chief Whip in Bengal Assembly and BJP MLA Shankar Ghosh. Would like to ask Mr. Ghosh, the parents of the victim are claiming that they have been heckled by Kolkata police, and sources in Kolkata police are also claiming that stones were pelted on them by the supporters of BJP during the protest.
See, this is very unfortunate. The way Abhaya's father and mother heckled by the police. I think this shows the lawlessness of the land. Mamata police is trying to cover up the incident. They are asking for the justice. Everybody can ask for the justice, and the right of justice should be given to everyone. And in this moment, it is the most important thing that the Abhaya's father and mother, they are asking for the justice for their killing or murder of their daughter. Now they are harassed by the police. These police actually tried time and again to cover up the incident. So I think it is quite natural for them to hide or to cover up the whole thing. That time there are a lot of police officials, CP, I think other officials of the Calcutta police. They tried to make different kind of story to cover up the whole incident. And today, after 1 year, people were still shouting for the justice of the Abhaya. So I think Abhaya is becoming a kind of fear to this government and Mamata Banerjee also. So that's why they are trying to hide, or they are trying to stop the protesting people from asking the justice to this government.
You are blaming TMC ruled government and asking for justice. You are demanding for justice. But TMC is claiming that responsibility of giving justice currently is in the hand of CBI, because the central province CBI is currently probing the case.
Look, the role of the CBI, we are also seeing under scanner. But the problem is what everybody is saying. The police destroyed the crime scene in the first time. So it is very difficult to CBI to collect all those clues to make the whole incident as a proof. But I think CBI has to prove their ability, because the people of West Bengal, they doesn't want any kind of excuse. They doesn't want any kind of reasons to know why Abhaya's father and mother and the Bengal, the whole Bengal who are shouting for the justice, why they are not unable to give the justice. It is the time to prove CBI their ability.